Need to cancel your Hostinger subscription? This video walks you through the entire process, covering downgrading, refunds, and domain management. We'll show you everything you need to know to cancel your plan smoothly and understand your options. To begin the cancellation process, log into your Hostinger account through the hPanel dashboard. Visit hostinger.com and sign in using your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the billing section. This can be found in the main menu on the left side of your hPanel dashboard. In the billing section, select Subscriptions to see all your active hosting plans and add-ons. Select the subscription you wish to cancel from your list of active plans. Then, click the Cancel Subscription button to initiate the process. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Review the details and click Confirm to complete the cancellation. Remember that cancellation takes effect immediately, but your hosting service will remain active until the end of your billing period. Always back up your website data before proceeding. Instead of canceling your Hostinger subscription, consider downgrading to a lower-tier plan as a cheaper alternative. Downgrading is usually free and allows you to keep your website running with fewer features, helping you save money while maintaining online presence. To downgrade, log into your hPanel dashboard. Navigate to Billing, then Subscriptions and select Manage. Choose a lower-tier plan and confirm the downgrade. Be aware that downgrading might adjust bandwidth limits or remove specific features. Also check for any prorated charges if you're mid-billing cycle. Downgrading provides continuity without data loss, though some features may be adjusted. Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee for most hosting plans. If you cancel within the first month, you'll get a full refund. For longer-term subscriptions, refunds are prorated, minus any domain registration fees or add-ons. Refunds are processed back to your original payment method within 3 to 5 business days, thanks to their enhanced payment gateways. Here's a visual flowchart of the typical refund process. When you cancel your Hostinger hosting plan, your domain registration is not automatically canceled. Your domain stays registered and active, but it will no longer have the hosting integration features like custom email addresses. You will need to handle domain renewal separately. Hostinger typically charges around $10 to $12 per year for a .com domain. If you want to transfer your domain to another registrar, log into your Hostinger hPanel and navigate to Domains, then Manage. There, you can obtain an authorization code for the transfer. You'll receive an email with the authorization code, similar to this example showing the auth code for a domain. Here's what the domain management interface looks like in your Hostinger hPanel, where you can view and manage your domains. Remember to plan your domain management carefully to avoid any unexpected renewal fees. Before canceling your Hostinger subscription, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. First, always back up your website data. Hostinger does not guarantee data recovery after cancellation, so it's crucial to create a secure backup to protect your content. Second, carefully review Hostinger's terms of service. This helps you avoid any unexpected penalties or additional fees that might apply during cancellation. Finally, understand that canceling includes secure data deletion to prevent potential security breaches. Make sure your sensitive data is properly secured before you proceed with cancellation. Hostinger has streamlined its cancellation process with an updated hPanel interface. They've also introduced AI-assisted chat support for real-time guidance. Refunds now process faster, averaging 3 to 5 days. Domain transfer support has improved through a partnership with Namecheap, reducing transfer times. Expert Brian from Hosting Advice praises Hostinger's refund policy as one of the best in the budget segment. Make sure to securely delete your data before canceling to prevent breaches, as warned by cybersecurity expert from Cloudflare. Canceling your Hostinger subscription is straightforward if you follow these steps and understand the policies. Thanks for watching.